Hi, what's up guys? Alexander Bosko, and today I'm going to show you guys on how to replace the rubber feet. And the reason you may want to replace it is if your rubber feet is about to come off, or if it's wearing out and you want to replace it. So I'm going to show you guys on how to do that in this video today, guys. So first, you have to shut your MacBook down before you do this, guys. So let's flip the computer to the back now. And before we unscrew it, keep in mind the two top screws right here, those are the tiny screws. So those are the tiniest ones, and the rest of them here are the same size. It's just to keep in mind. If you put the wrong ones in these two slots right here, then you would damage the computer. That would be no good, guys. So okay guys, so let's take the first two off so I can know. Those are the tiny screws. As you guys can see right there, that's the tiny screw. As you guys can see right there. And here's what I'm going to do. After I take the screw off, put it right here on the tape. Hold on, give me 1 second. Okay, it's on the tape there. After I take off each screw, it's going to go on the tape, on this paper here. I made a mock-up here of the back of the MacBook Pro. So let's take off the second one. Alright. Do the same thing again. Get it like on a piece of paper. Like I'm doing here. And guys, I'll be right back after I take off these screws. Hi guys, now I'm back. I just got the screws off, and I put the screws on to the tape here on the tape of the piece of paper. I made a mock-up of the back of the MacBook Pro here, as you guys can see. And now you want to do, hold on, give me a sec. Is to pry the MacBook Pro open. So to keep in mind, there is two plastic clips in the middle, so you have to be very careful while you are prying up the back. Just put your hand right here into the vent there, and then put your other one right here just to hold on to the case. Okay guys, now I got that side, and now let's do the other side. And lift it up until you hear a click till it comes off. And then you have to be very careful while you take this off as well. Face it towards you while you take it off. There you go. Here's the inside of the MacBook. So we are focusing on the lower case. So I'll be right back while I put the computer to the side. I'll be right back. Hi guys, now I'm back. I got the computer to the side so we can focus on the lower case. And I'm going to be replacing this one right here. And I can't get it off of here, so I will have to get my blow dryer or hair dryer here. It's just to loosen the adhesive. If you plan to try to take this one off, and if it's about to peel peel off, you don't need to use this. So let's go ahead and do this now. Okay, that should be good, guys. So grab your tweezers and pry it up, guys. So let me get closer to you guys. So and be careful while you pry this up. You don't want to scratch the computer because the tweezers here are metal. Be careful while you pry this up. Here you go. Here's the Apple rubber foot here. I just took off. I'm going to set that on the side. And then grab the remaining ones here. Here we go. I got all that black stuff off. Okay. And now I have to take that off right there. That was part of the original rubber foot. Need to pry this open, so I need to get that part out of there. Somehow, guys. I can't get that part out from the previous rubber foot. If you guys can't get that out from here, here's what you gotta do. Just go to the back here, and you have to peel this off right here. You have to peel that off. Let me get the tweezers for that. Yep, we got it, guys. As you guys can see right there, that is the part right there. And we couldn't pull it out from the front of it. Hold on a sec. Right here. It's because the back here won't allow it to go through to get it out of here. So now what we have to do is to get the tweezers and push this out like that. And to get this out of here, as you see right there, let me focus. Here we go. Do you see that part right there? I got that out from right here. Let me focus on that. Oops, sorry. Here we go, right there. And now let's apply this back on. Okay. Okay, that's back on. And now what you have to do is to clean up that area. Alright, guys. First, we're going to use the adhesive tape remover pad. We're going to do that. Alright. So, okay, let's clean this up. Okay. And next, use the alcohol pad. Okay. The alcohol pad. Yep. That's coming off. And there we go. And there we go. The adhesive's now off. And now let's get our replacement rubber foot, and I'll be right back. Hi guys, now I'm back. I got my replacement rubber foot right here, the replacement one right here, and the three of these on here are the replacement ones from iFixit, and this is the iFixit one. So and now what I'm gonna do is to grab my tweezers again, and grab this guy, and you have to align it on the computer. So let me bring you guys in. Okay, guys, so I got the camera in a position now, and you have to align this when you install it. You have to get it around the circle. Let me fix these tweezers. And there you go. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this and make sure you align it. Just like that. See on how am I doing this here? Make sure it aligns inside the circle. And there you go. And just press it in. Like so. And press and hold for about a few seconds. Hi guys, now I'm back. I just pressed in the rubber foot I just replaced right here. And after you're done, go ahead to reassemble it onto your computer. And put it back on. Just like that. And press in the middle here to press the two clips on. And wait on press down until you hear them click. And now go ahead to put the screws back in. But keep in mind, like I said at the beginning of the video, the two small screws right here and here go right here. Just remember that, guys. So I'll go ahead and put those in so you guys know where they go. If you don't put them in the right places, then your computer would be damaged. I'm gonna go ahead and put those in now. Hi guys, now I'm back. I got all the screws back in. And make sure you put them back in the right order when you put the screws back in. And now let's test the computer to see if it turns on. Just to be sure, after you do repairs with your Mac. And here we go. And it turns on, guys. So, and this is how you replace the rubber feet on your MacBook Pro. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to drop a like, a comment, and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this, and more gaming, and more unboxings and reviews, and more Adventure Time Plus videos. And please make sure to subscribe if you are new here as well, and turn on the upload post notifications so you guys don't miss a video from me every time I upload a video. And I forgot to explain one more thing to you guys. So if you're replacing the rubber feet right here, you don't have to lift up on the sticker. It is right behind the lower case. Only up here you do. Down here you don't. So that is one more thing I would like to point out. And peace out, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.